Is there a right way to mint your first NFT? Well, yes. Get yourself a crypto wallet and put some Ether on it. I'm gonna use the Zengo crypto wallet, but if you choose another crypto wallet, the process is similar. To mint an NFT, we gotta move on the desktop. Let's do it. Open OpenSea. To create an account, connect your crypto wallet to the platform. Click here on the top right corner and choose the option Wallet Connect. Then move to the Zengo app on your phone and tap on this icon on the top right corner to scan the QR code. Now you're in. You will need some Ether in your crypto wallet later on to pay the initialization fees. Now click the profile icon on the top right corner and choose My Collections. Now click Create a Collection. Here you can add your logo and the banner graphic. Choose your collection's name and add your website link, Discord link, or Instagram. Like and subscribe for more of this content.